This is the Leatherman Wave. Along with the other 1,000 videos on YouTube, this one's mine. I would have to say that I use this every single day, from doing things around the house, to opening boxes, to cutting things on the farm, to making my projects, fixing things, opening battery compartments, opening packets, tightening screws, doing repairs on the go. But the problem is, with lots of use comes a blunt knife. This knife has seen its fair share of cutting, hard things, soft things, fruit, plastic, metal, and the blade is looking a little bit worse for wear. In comes this little device. This is the Milwaukee Knife Sharpener. There's a ton of different brands and different looks and different types out on the market, but I got this one. One, because of videos just like this one, and how cheap it is. I think I got this down at a local hardware for $15. The next one up is $30, so it was half the price. Good thing about this one is it's compact and has a little magnet on the side. So if you've got a workshop, you can stick it to your workbench or your tool holder. The idea is you hold it as such, and then you pull through the coarse about 5 or 8 times, and to finish it off, we go through the fine 5 to 8 times. It also has a sharpener at the back, which allows for serrated edges, which I don't use too much. And you can sharpen the serrated grooves. So let's go ahead and try and sharpen this. So what we want to do is we want to hold this down reasonably firm and then just pull it through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, I can see it's sharpened it already. I'm just going to go to 8, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. And now we'll just put it through the ceramic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that blade looks good and it's quite sharp. How easy is that? You can see some metal shavings just there, so obviously it's taken some off. Yeah, real nice. Okay, it's as simple as that. I'm going to go through a few of my knives now and do the same thing. One, 2. This gerber is quite blunt. This knife here, I'm going to butcher the pronunciation. It is a Heyheyitsnaynay knife, which is a traditional Japanese folding knife. This was an everyday knife that people used to carry around and cut fruit, snacks, sharpen pencils, open packages, those sort of things. So essentially it was like the Swiss Army knife of traditional Japanese. This blade is very blunt, and I'm going to give this a bit of a sharpen as well. This may not be the traditional way of sharpening these knives, but hopefully it's good for little old me. Yes. This is really good. Now this knife was very blunt and it's very sharp now. It's a shame I didn't do a cut test beforehand. This knife here would have to be at least 60 to 70 years old. It says here the original Bowie knife in Japan. I don't know if it is an original Bowie knife, but still, it's very old. This was very dull, and this sharpened it up quite well, very easily, and now it's got a really nice sharp edge on it. So there you have it. Quick, easy to sharpen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.